How to add infinite scroll feature to BuddyPress activity stream. Hello everyone. In the previous video, we are sharing with you how to add infinite scroll feature to BuddyPress activity stream. This feature can make your members exploring the activity stream easier, especially on the mobile view. And you can have this feature for free. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to Youzify panel, General Settings, and then the Wall Settings. Enable Activity Infinite Loader, and then save settings. Let's see the results. Now you can have an infinite loader feature on your BuddyPress activity stream. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.